Welcome to Excellence in Excel. My name is Nick Wong, and in this video, this is part 8, and in this part I won't explain anything, but I will give you a challenge and see if you can manage to do that. So you've did all the formulas right now, you understand this, and let me show you something what's going to happen here in the Philippines, because I would like to know the following earnings. So you have here, these are the earnings from Paula, Richard, and Kenneth. And I would love to know the tax amount based on their net profit. However, here's the challenge. We will not use the same formula here and all the information here. No, we're going to give you a new challenge because here, let me show you. Here we have the income tax, and currently there's a new income tax on the move. So let me show you. So this is the one that we just did. However, the new income tax now is the following here. That one will be coming starting from 2023. My question is now, can you calculate based on all of these numbers? So you can see it's slightly different. So you can see there are some small differences, 15% instead of 20. You can see here 800,000. Many of these are similar. At least this here is similar. However, these here, the minimums are changing as well. So my question for you, and that's the challenge here as well, and you can see here that the 32% is missing. So it's going to change. So that's beneficial. However, can you use these numbers here? And if you're wondering how can I find these numbers, check out here. This is the Wikipedia page. Taxation in the Philippines. And then you have here the part here, it says individual, and then you have to click or hide on this option here. You will see all the numbers. Can you calculate for Paula, Richard, and Kenneth the new tax amount? That will be your challenge. In the next video, I'll show you only the number. I will not show you the formula because basically the formula is simplistic if you followed the entire video segments previously.